How to reset water filter on Frigidaire refrigerator. Step 1. Gather your tools before we dive into the reset process. Make sure you have a towel handy, a cup for any excess water, and your refrigerator's user manual. This will be your trusty guide throughout the process. Step 2. Locate the water filter. Next up, you'll need to find the water filter compartment. It's usually located in the upper right or left corner of your fridge's interior. The exact location might vary depending on your model, so refer to the user manual if you're unsure. Step 3. Remove the old filter. Now comes the fun part, replacing the old filter. Gently turn the filter counterclockwise to loosen it. As you do this, you might notice a bit of water dripping, which is perfectly normal. Just place a towel or a cup underneath to catch any spills. Step 4. Install the new filter. Time to introduce your fridge to its new best friend, the freshwater filter. Align the arrows on the new filter with the markings inside the compartment, and then turn it clockwise to secure it in place. Remember, it's all about that satisfying click. Step 5. Reset the filter indicator. With the new filter in place, it's time to reset the filter indicator light. This step might vary based on your model, so whip out the user manual and follow the instructions to a T. Usually, it involves holding down a specific button for a few seconds until you see that beautiful reset light. Step 6. Run a test. We're almost there. Now, grab a cup and dispense a bit of water from the refrigerator's water dispenser. This helps flush out any air bubbles or loose particles that might be lingering in the new filter.